Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to CAS video update today. So 2 days ago I actually ended up closing my positions for CAS as well on the private, because as far as I remember in the last few updates when I said best of luck, we were looking at CAS not retesting this line, and I've talked about the fact that CAS hasn't been able to retest the line some few times ago as well. But right now, there's a very big sell-off going on, and I'm going to show you. In yesterday's video, we talked about a rinse and repeat. So here we go back into the 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to show you this pattern that actually ended up breaking to the downside. So the last time we saw this, we had this sideways, triangle right there, but the break was to the upside, and you nearly met the technical target up there. Okay. Now, ever since then, you started to move sideways, and that's where you created another triangle. And I told you, if you're looking for another break, you're looking for a move to the upside again. But I told you, if you're going to break down, we are looking to go down once again. I just want to show you one small recap. All right, so this was the video like 20 hours ago from now. So I'm just going to play this part. Break and retest, then you're good to go to the upside. And if you do break down, the technical target is going to be to this area, 4,800. Okay, so that's it was 4,800. So basically you're sitting at 44,620 right now. This is even much more worse. It happened worse than I was expecting it to happen. So you can see sideways, broke down, came here, took a lot of stop losses. Everyone was getting into the CAS bandwagon, and everyone thought that, oh, we're not going to come down. But I always had, speculations. I never liked coins that do not retest. Now, here's the thing. Now, if you see CAS coming down here, which in my opinion, it's the perfect time for CAS to do that, it could be very, very positive to start thinking of entering at these price levels again. So I'm more interested. I don't think it's game over just yet. So if I do bring the stick to the side here, yeah, you broke out, you're moving up, and now you can see that you have made a bearish pattern, two bearish patterns right there. And now you're looking for this thing to crawl down and down and down and down and maybe retest this line finally, which is not a bad thing, okay? If you do, and because look, this is a pattern, right? You have a pattern, you're breaking up, you went to the middle of nowhere, you're now coming down, you're looking for that retest. So whatever was resistance here, if that flips into support level, that's a buying entry opportunity, and you might see this thing take off once again. So but in the meanwhile, this was like, I get it, it's just a tactics of the market makers, okay? Like, yeah, go up and 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 up, and all of a sudden start to push to the downside. Now some few support line and a trend line has been broken. It has been it's failing now. So you can see that this is a support line here, and if I do talk about this trend line, okay, it's almost like this right there. You almost have some few touches going on, and you broke out, you're looking for that retest as well, and you're being rejected. So to me personally, I do expect CAS to fall down to 3.9. It was an area that I did expect CAS to come down when it was actually here. I was expecting the pop to happen right there, but this pop happened right over there, and the pop happened down, and this is it. Okay, 3.9, that's where it makes sense to go down to. And I do believe that the 4 hour time frame is pretty much overbought at the moment. It was at the resistance right there. You can see this is almost like a regular bearish divergence as well. So if you can actually come down to 3.9 and the RSI flashes down to this support level again from where you took off the last time, and comes here, comes down there again, good, amazing. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.